Yo, what's up? What's happening? Welcome back to yet another reaction. I woke up today and I was like thinking about Eswatini, okay? And I'm like, let's get to the music. Here we go. 3 years ago, this song came out, and I feel like it doesn't get as much. It didn't get as much attention from the global audience as it should. Okay, as at least, especially for you guys in Africa, please go and watch this song. Honestly, and watch the video, listen to the story. It's just beautiful. Okay, I've reacted to the song before, and I am not ashamed to react to it again. One of my favorite songs out there in Eswatini. It's Young Zesh featuring Lyrikal Busta. Let's see. Upscale. Still upscale? Okay. Go subscribe to Upscale. I think it's a record label out there in Eswatini. That's where you can get all the things. You know what I mean? So if you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Hey, that pizza, man, that pizza. The whole combi smelling of pizza. Hey, I shy Zulema. Hey. So basically, for those of you who do not understand Isiswati because I'm a language, never mind. So he's basically saying, you know, like, darling, when you arrive in Mbabane, maybe I'm wrong. There's something about that I don't get. I think he's either saying I'm coming to Mbabane or when you come to Mbabane, do this. Giving you direction, like tell them you're gonna wait for me at KaKhoza, which is like a spot. You know, that's how things are as well. Also in Botswana, like tell them to stop there. They know what that stop is. Now he's telling the driver to like, yo, my man, please, man, hurry up, just like speed up, my man. Hey. Hey. I think it's beautiful out there in Eswatini. Maleni. Hey. They're like, hey, you don't, no fighting. Makes me wanna go see where is that KaKhoza. I don't know how it is in Eswatini, but in Botswana, the combi, like if you are in a hurry, never take a combi. At least sacrifice whatever money you have, take a taxi special, it will take you straight to where you go. But if you take a minibus, the bus driver wants to be calling people walking like all the way there, like, hey, Wafa, are you? So if you're in a hurry, do not take a minibus. That's for you guys who are going there for touring. If you're in a hurry, no minibus. Just take a taxi. I wish I Zulema. Hey. Yeah, like tell the boys like, yo, no, I'm working with Lyrical Busta here. Do not approach me. All right, like this, I'm out of bounds. I'm spoken for. Get the money, get down on my knees. Hey. Buy you nice clothes, elevate your steez. And she 20 yummy girl, you got the key. She's new in town and you know she's fumbling the game right now. Yo, like smartphones are always on high demand in I would say in Africa, because I've been to Mozambique and I saw a mob justice guy, like mob justice following this guy who just snatched a phone. Like the dude was, I'm pretty sure he cannot walk to this day. I don't know, I was in Mozambique, I was like, whoa, this is happening right here. But yeah, if just you know, smartphones are like on high demand for some reason. People love stealing smartphones there. Maybe it's because the network operators are perpetuating this. Now that I see this, I like it's all over Africa. Okapi out. No, this is the coolest song, guys. Please, come on. Go check it out yourself. See it on the big screen, see the quality. You see S14 as well. You know what I mean? Like, and now he cannot call. Oh man, this is bad. Yeah, beautiful stuff. That's young Zesh featuring Lyrikal, Busta, KaKhoza. That's, I feel like that should be the biggest song that people know from Eswatini. I don't know. I love that song. I've listened to it so many times. Anyway, if you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads of this channel. I will see you guys on the other side.